Another great product we have here at PACK Expo 2023 Las Vegas is our combined case tape labeling, case tape printing solutions. This is the power of ProMach. We're able to integrate multiple technologies together. Today we have a semi-automatic case erecting system where an operator would fill the product, close the flaps, push it through a taper, where then our marking and labeling systems would print or label the boxes. The key benefits of this solution is it is a unified solution with all components put together with only one control point for adjustability. If you need to adjust for different size cases, you turn one crank, the semi-automatic case erector adjusts, as well as the position of either an inkjet printing system or our print and apply labeling. This is a game changer.